1977 Dodge Aspen here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Information passed along to us on this vehicle. It's actually a two-owner car. First owners were an older couple that bought it brand new. And that's where the current owner purchased it from and has now decided to part ways with it. Slant 6, 225 cubic inch engine underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. Russet Sunfire is the name of this color. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a decent shine to it, but like we see in a lot of these older original Dodge and Mopar products, you get a little bit of staining in the paint. I don't know if you can pick that up there, you can see it. So is the paint perfect on this car? No. Does it still have a nice look to it? Absolutely. One of those cars you can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Has not been driven winters, according to the second owner. And it shows. You can see around these wheel wells, lower rockers. It's not full of rust, corrosion. It's just there's kind of some staining in that paint. Riding on a rally style wheel. Weight wall radials. Technician did note that the date code's in those tires 2011, so they're getting up there in age for your information. Ivory interior, bench seat up front. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the filler panels. Nice shape between the bumper and the rear of the car. We do have a crack in the reflective taillight area. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. You can see the underside, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take you for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. If you're into these mid to late 70s Dodge products, maybe Plymouth, Chrysler, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor if you can see it to make it to see us in person, I should say. And again, lower rockers, driver's side, looking good. Take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Door panels, nice shape. You can see not a lot of wear on that armrest or the top of the door panel. Vinyl seats, fairly free of any major rips, tears, or holes. A little bit of wear on that button from going in and out. Seat belts intact. Headliner, original headliner, looks good. Top of the dash, free of cracks. Any sort of staining on that. Sunbake, that's all looking good. All right, 66,163, believed to be original miles passed along from the second owner. AM radio, radio is working.
Yesterday's big game. What's going on? Yeah, that's no problem.
Another note from the tech stated the fuel gauge was in ops. If you want to watch your miles on that, you know how many you can drive before filling up. Or you could have us take a look at that fuel gauge before the car is purchased and shipped out. Not a problem. Let's take a listen. Nothing crazy with the exhaust as far as any sort of loudness. That slant 6 purring away, again 225 cubic inches. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video, and like I said, stick around to the very end. You can see how this car drives out with Jason. Underside of the hood, look how clean that is. Now, like the second owner stated, this car wasn't driven in inclement weather as far as winters go around here, and it shows how bright the paint is. Under the hood here, there is a fender tag. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Power steering, power brakes. Nice, clean, tidy, stock-looking engine bay. Guess what you'd expect. There you go, not one you're going to see every day. 1977 Dodge Aspen. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 Dodge Aspen. This would be a two-door. It's an automatic on the column. Good looking interior. A little squeak out of the brakes right now, and that's probably just from lack of use. Sitting in storage a little bit. Our turn signal indicators are both working. Gauges are looking good and working. Radio in the dash is working as it should.
Getting bigger, Jesus getting smaller, spill a cup of coffee.
Blower motor works on this car. We do have the heat on today as it is cold outside on this Minnesota day. The wipers also work. Our alternator gauge is right in the middle of the gauge. The temperature is a quarter of the way up and still rising. Speedometer working as it should. Fuel gauge is reading E, but I'm still moving, so it's not empty yet. Vinyl bench seat in this car, very comfortable. Got the simulated wood grain. Circa 1977, just for that 70s look. Luxurious / sport ride in this car. Of course, excellent power steering in the 70s. Luxurious seating. We'll see how she does in the corner up here and test out the brakes. Like I was saying, a little bit of squealing, and I think that we just gotta drive a little more. I did get a slight pull to the left when I braked. Corners nicely, power steering works very well. Cream colored interior, black dash, nice looking Dodge. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.